Hello friends, welcome. In this video, I am going to discuss about error handling in Golang. Friends, error handling in Golang is different from other languages like C++ or Java. There basically we use try-catch block for exception handling, but in case of Golang, error is treated as normal value. Here we do not use any kind of try-catch block or anything like that. Here, error is just like another value that we can return from a function, and we can also store it in a variable. So let me take an example to show this. So here I am in the VS Code. So first of all, I am creating a file main.go. Here I will define a method div. There will be two parameters, both will be of integer type. Here in return basically we will return two values. First will be of integer type and second will be of error type. So the first condition is if second num equal to 0. So in that case we will generate an error. Basically here we will create a custom error and we will return that. So return 0 comma errors dot new error. Here we have to pass a message. We can pass any message here. Here I am passing as cannot be divided by 0. And in other condition, we basically store the result of first num divided by second num in a variable named result, and after that we will return result as an integer value, and for error we will return nil. And in the first condition where second num will be 0, for the integer value we will return 0. So now to use this method we will have to define another method. So basically what here I am doing, I have called this div method with two input. One first for the first num I am taking 10, and for the second num I am taking 0, and output will be stored in two variable. The first one is result and the second one is error. Here I am putting a condition. If error is not nil, so in that case log.fatal method will be called. This method basically exit the execution of the program after printing this message, and if this condition is not satisfied, so in that case this result will be printed. So let me run this code. So as expected, here we can see that we are passing 0 as the second num, so error will not be nil in that case, and that's why this message is printed here, and also the program is exited. Now suppose if we want to print this error message, so in that case what we can do, we can simply print the error. So in that case this message will also be printed. So let me again run this code, and as expected here again we can see that cannot be divided by 0 as we passing this message here, and also this message is also getting printed. So this is the condition where we pass 0 as the second num. Suppose if we pass another number like 5 as the second num, so in that case let me run again this code, and here we can see that the result is 2 as expected. Here we are printing the result, so when we divide 10 by 5 we get 2, and that is something which is printed here. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and that's all for this video. Thanks